mga loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. I hope everyone is well. For those who's new here, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Maricel. Welcome po dito sa aking kusina. Guess what we're making today? We are making a fried Oreo. And I'm quite excited doing this today because this is going to be my first time. Back in 2015, I believe, this is the first time I had tried them. Here in Vegas actually, and I just had them few times. The ever first time that I tried them, it was very good. Like, oh, it is so yummy. I mean, I love Oreo since I was little, and it's quite expensive. It's like 2 or 3 pieces of it. It's like $3 and few cents. So I decided this past several days I've been craving for it, and instead of buying and going outside, why not making for myself? And then I want to share it to you for my adventure doing this for the very first time. Tara, samahan niyo ako magluto. So here mga loves, the main ingredients of this goodies is 3, but technically 4, of course, because we need oil. I prefer, a lot of people use vegetable oil for some reason. So of course the very star of the this recipe is the Oreo. There's different flavor of Oreo. There's vanilla, the chocolate, chocolate filling, and the mint, I believe. And you will be needing pancake mix. Any brand will do. So I picked this one, extra light texture and fluffy pancakes and waffle mix. So you can actually make pancake and waffle mix with this guy here. And we do need the confectioner's powdered sugar. We need this as well, and we need eggs. The waffles of this, we need eggs, but if you want to just make pancakes, you don't need eggs, but I prefer to use eggs. And you only need water, but some people use milk, but I want to try to use milk. I think it's tastier, I believe, and I want a little more aroma, so just tiny bit of vanilla extract, 1/4 amount of vanilla extract. So I have here 1 cup of this pancake mix, and we need 1 eggs only, just do like that. And we need also, I'm going to put 3/4 cup of milk for now, and we can always add water if we need it. And here's the vanilla extract here, and let's just mix it all up. And for making the waffle mix or the waffle mix or the pancake mix, you need to put oil in it, but you don't need to because we're deep frying it, so it's too much oil already. I think this is the texture that you want, not so thicky but a little runny but fluffy at the same time. I just used only 1 cup of the pancake mix, but I have how many total in here? I don't know. This is the family size of the Oreo. I don't think this mixture will finish with all the Oreo in here, but if you want to finish this all up, you can double up the butter, so you can use 2 cups. I think that should be good enough. So let me show you. There you go. So that's the texture that we want. So alright guys, I do have the oil preheated already. I think it's between 325 to 350. You don't want your oil too hot. 375, I think it's too much para maluto, perfect na pagkaluto yung butter natin. So I have the butter here. So here we go. We are going to dip the fried Oreo, the Oreo here inside. You don't want to overcrowded it, so maybe like 4 each batch. you just want to do it at least a minute each side, I believe. There you go, look at that. I should wait a little bit with this one, so for a few seconds. So I think the first batch is the batter is a little thin, so I add on like 1 tablespoon of it. So that means you have to adjust, guys. Yeah, I think this time it's a little perfect. So just do like that and dip it there. Yeah, I make it a little thin the first time. Side. You don't want to wait too much longer. Yay, look at that golden brown. Okay, that's a lot better. So 1 minute. So this is the second batch and this is the first batch. So you just have to adjust the batter, mga palangga, okay? Alright mga palangga, here we go. Let me have a bite. It is so good. You should try this at home. It's good also for snacks, mga loves. So that's what I've said. What is it, baby? 2-piece or 3-piece for $3?
2 pieces for $3.50.
Yes, 2 pieces of $3.50. Imagine that. The family size of that Oreo, you can buy that like under $5, and you can make as many as you want. I only use half of it tonight, so 22 piece I made for 1 cup of that pancake batter. So you can share it to the family and your friends, and you're gonna enjoy it. And you can put as much as, I know mga loves, calories, I'm sorry, but it's only once in a while. We only live once. Eat anything you want. Alright mga love, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you learned from this video today, and if you like it, big thumbs up will be appreciated. And if you're new here, sorry my mouth is full, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you will be notified each time when I have an upcoming video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.